Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing a clean audio file into Godot. Choose WAV for lossless or OGG for smaller size. Add an audio stream player, or audio stream player 2D for spatial effects, to the node tree and assign the imported stream. Once done, configure basic properties. Set volume dB, autoplay if needed, and turn on looping for ambient tracks. This gets sound into the scene immediately and prepares the node for scripting or inspector-driven control, so you can hear results while iterating. Now you connect control, call play, from GD script or bind it to UI events so sounds trigger on action. You should also change volume dB and pitch scale dynamically to reflect game state. Lowering volume dB reduces loudness without removing the node. Route audio through named audio buses for FX or music control. For spatialized audio, use audio stream player 3D or 2D attenuation settings. Once done, test different triggers and verify is playing to avoid overlapping or truncated sounds. Finish by organizing audio. Preload frequently used audio streams to reduce runtime hitching and create pools of audio stream players for rapid-fire sounds. Route tracks to buses and add effects like reverb or echo for polish. This simplifies global volume and mute. If you want variety, implement random clip selection or slight pitch variation to avoid repetition. If things go wrong, verify the file imported correctly. Confirm the node's stream property points to the right resource, and make sure the audio bus is not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.